the Roots tonic from yesterday?
Yeah, man. Tonic.
Not too much fuckery in there. It was pretty clean from the last time you strained it, but why not a little extra? Yeah.
Go to the next one, yeah?
Alright.
Clear crystal, man.
Fuel up on Roots tonic. Honey in the mix.
Honey in the next.
And it was so cool when we were walking around last night looking for chicken. We met the honey man who hooked us up with some free honeycomb.
Yeah. Well, here's this honeycomb.
Yeah,
Oh, do we
yeah,
have it
man.
right over there?
Yeah. But me wrap it up good and neat. There's no hands not gonna go do no fuckery.
Oh yeah, the ants must get in there like crazy.
Crazy if you get the opportunity.
They go mad for
Where
it.
should we keep?
Yeah.
Honey, that's what we put in the roots.
Sweeten it up nice.
Sweeten it up nice.
And that is definitely ital, yeah?
Ital, yeah.
Okay.
From the bees. From the bees and the jungle, all the thick root. Roots tonic come from there. The bees also come from the jungle. Everything straight ital. Good. So a good roots we have, you know.
No, it's nice and sweet too.
Nice and sweet.
But it wasn't even too bitter yesterday, hey?
No,
like,
man.
Like you put a little bit of brown sugar. I'm surprised it's actually not more bitter with all those thick roots and sticks.
Alright,
in it.
look so many.
Yeah.
No, Matthew, I know some me work. Yes, Matthew, I know some me work. Me don't work, so. Me make them dry, which me tell you. And anybody can drink them. Cause me get enough man a boil roots, you know. Roots. But you don't understand how to boil roots, brother. It's a trick in a roots. You have to set it. And you get nice roots. Not just boil all day and strong and bitter like a bitter blood. Yeah, drink. Now me shake up, now me stir it up. Shake up all the honey in there.
Give it some froth. Oh yeah, look at that.
Bumbleclot. Nah, I tell you, man. A roots, you know, father. I know nothing good, you know. The rest of man know him I make, you know.
We're gonna enjoy that later because the sun is out in full force today. We're gonna get pretty fried.
That me I tell you. Get fucked up today, you know.
Yeah.
See? Right up to buck. Like I him you see tomorrow. Or the head of the year by your left. And you pull it, you got to everything good will last. Look the amount of frat, you see what in there?
Yeah.
And it just go in there, you know. I work no ferment, I just 2 days till they make 2 days.
It'll
The
start to
root boy.
ferment a little bit.
You see there?
Yeah.
See there? Frat amount of frat. So you see look upon this. When you open it and look down in there, you can't see down in there. Look.
No, it's pure froth.
Yeah, man, just like the beer, just like the alcohol, but this is no alcohol. This are roots, tonic. It's a, it's a roots tonic, man. Check it down now.
Okay.
Check it down now.
All right, Junior's filming for me. He's always working hard. Oh, it's beautiful with the honey. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Whoa.
Honey.
That's amazing. Oh, phones are ringing.
Yes.
All right, thanks, Junior.
Yeah.
Cameraman.
So do you want to see this stuff? It's quite excellent. Yeah. Well, it's not too sweet. I was worried about the honey. I was really worried about the honey, but not at all.
No.
It just takes the edge off just a tiny
Yeah,
bit.
man. Anything what me I do, you know, man. Me just time it, you know, man.
Exactly. Here we go.
Right up the calabash proper.